I'm back again with another video. I think I'm gonna do like a day in the life today. I just want to take you guys through what I do on a day to day. I think I'm gonna try to shoot content, so try to take you through that, and then send out orders for different frames. Those of you who don't know, I have a small business company that I have on Instagram, and we also on Twitter and TikTok. But I'm just gonna send out orders, and then maybe you can just pack an order with me and then see me taking it through the courier process, and I can just let you know how it actually works, from receiving orders online to how I then send them out to all the customers. So yeah, I'm quite excited for that, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I promise to not forget this time. I'm gonna vlog throughout, which is why I'm calling it a day in the life. I hope I'm getting it right. You know, I'm struggling with captions so far, but pretty soon we'll find the hang of things. I get a hang of everything, but yeah. That the bill? Thank you. Oh, for all the, okay. Ah, okay, thank you so much. No, people, we didn't eat just for 40 rand. There's a lot of slims.
I know, I'm vegetarian.
I can just yeah, it's a food.
Yeah, please, iPhone gun.
I freeze Ne.
Idinivulwa.
I freeze.
It's